Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Waris. Welcome you all in Healthcare with Dr. Waris. Viewers, today we are talking about the very common disease and seasonal disease called flu, influenza. Influenza occurs due to the virus called influenza virus, which is usually occurs in winter season, because we have the less immune system and less immunity in winter season, because in the winter we have to face less in the sunlight because of the short days, so we not receive the vitamin D properly, so immunity lessens in these, and people also sit together in the rooms, so this can spread from one person to other, because it is very highly contagious disease, and it is characterized by headache, itching and nose, watery eyes, cough, fever, and runny nose, sneezing in this also occurs. This disease occurs majorly in less than 2 years and more than 65 years, and children and pregnant ladies, and the disease, chronic disease persons which have less immunity in these these are at the highest risk of this influenza. And this is very important to treat these disease at the earliest, and within 48 hours of this occurrence, because of the posterior nasal and dribbling can leads to its complication called pneumonia. This is occur after due to not taking medicines properly. The proper medicine for this disease is antiviral drugs, but antihistamines and decongestant can also results good. It is a very common sense and ideas of the most of the peoples that one cannot take medicines in early days, because if you will take medicines and then it will be complicated. But it is a very wrong idea. But so one should also take medicine properly within first 48 hours, and then we will can prevent from this complications which occurs after 2 days. Viewers, it is very clear that you should take these in early days, because this is not a very pond or collection pool of any secretions that which late have to be empty at the time, and then we will take medicines. This is secretions which daily secretes, and so we will take antihistamines only properly, and or decongestant properly, then we will take care of this disease early. So viewers, you should take medicines within time, then you can prevent yourself from complications like pneumonia. And if you will develop pneumonia, then you have to take antibiotics and so many other drugs to relieve your symptoms. So and in these winter seasons, you take care to avoid any cold, and take your hot drinks as well. And if you are so weak, then you must take multivitamins also, then you will develop most immunity within yourself, because this disease also occur in those who are very feeble and do their exhausting works. So this is also occurs in these. So this is all about influenza, and most likely called flu. So this is the way you can prevent yourself from fluke. And if you have any query or question, write in comment box. And then till then, Allah Hafiz.